For beginners. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify the right way. Even if you're a beginner, a 10-year-old can do it. It is so simple. Do not complicate things here. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get started for free using Shopify, because Shopify they offers 30 days free trial. Click the link down below to get an access with Shopify. Now, let me show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. Go to products, under products. This is whereby that beginners like you can add their products here on Shopify that they want to sell. But if you have already a product on Shopify, you can just click here to add that product here or that store. It's going to be added here on Shopify. Now, let me show you how to add your own products on Shopify. Then you will see this title. Under title, you have to write the title of the product that you want to sell here. Do not complicate this. It is so easy. You can write short sleeve t-shirt for women, short sleeve t-shirt for men, short sleeve t-shirt for kids. That's the title ideas, guys. You get the idea. Then you can go to product description. Under here, you have to write the product description. But I like to use this AI tool from Shopify, okay? Just put some keywords here. What's going to happen? This AI tool is going to write any product description that you want to use. For the tone of voice, I like to use an expert. Just keep it right. As you can see that in just a few seconds, this AI tool, it is done writing the product description for me. You can rewrite it again. I'm just going to keep it, it's fine like that. And then you're going to go to media. Under media on Shopify, you have to add the images of the product that you want to sell so that your customers, they can take a look at the product that you are selling, And then you can also go to category. Under category, you have to choose which category does your product falls under which category. As you can see that there are multiple categories here. Pet, suppliers, accelerators, all of those stuff, Then you're going to go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that you want to sell the product on Shopify, And then after that, you have to go to the cost per item, Cost per item, it means how much it is costing you to purchase this product in your supplier. Maybe you're using Zenrop or AliExpress. It's going to show you the profit that you'll be making. It's going to also show you the margins that you'll be making, guys. As you can see, it is so easy to add your products here on Shopify. Even a 12-year-old can do it, guys, okay? Do not leave everything as default. And then after that, you're going to go to save. You're going to save this product. This is how you add your own products here on Shopify. Then you can also go to collections, so that you can see multiple collections that you have, guys. But for me, I already have one collection, guys. Okay? Under collections, you can see how many collections that you have here or how many products that you have here. You can also create a collections if you want collections here, okay? Then you can go to customers. Under customers, you can see the customers who purchased from you in the past, or you can see customers, guys, who subscribed in your email newsletters. Not only that, if you already have existing customers, you can also import them here on Shopify, guys, okay? Then you can also go to analytics. Under analytics on Shopify, what you can do, you can also check the total orders in your store today. How many total orders that you got? How many total orders that you got yesterday, so that you can check, guys, okay, which date is performing. You can also check the online store sessions, like how many people they are in the store right now. You can also check the online store conversion rate, like how many what is the conversion rate on your store, guys, okay? You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products on Shopify, you can also check them here. You can also check the returning customer rate and also the sales attributed to marketing. All of those things. Now, let's go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, you can do email follow-ups on your customers. People who went through to the checkout, but they never purchased, you can send, guys, email follow-ups so that those people, they're going to buy from you via emails, guys. Do not sleep on emails. You're going to get a lot of customers. You're going to get a lot of orders. You can also offer some discounts, especially on holidays. You can also offer 35% off discounts so that you can get more orders in a Shopify store. If you're a beginner, you can also go to online store. This is whereby that Shopify is gonna give you these done for you stores, these done for you themes that you can just add them. It's gonna be added straight into your own Shopify store. You can also, guys, put your own logo. You can also put your own domain on these stores, guys. If you're in a beauty niche, take a look at these stores. If you're in a clothing niche, take a look at these stores, guys, that you can just add them straight into your Shopify store, guys. It is so easy. Even a 12-year-old can do it, guys, if you follow these instructions that I am showing you here for free in this video. So now let's take a look at this store, guys, for clothing niche, guys. So what you need to do here, you can also change this logo here, put your own logo, put this domain in your own domain, change this pricing here, guys. Put your own price, change the currency, put your own currency, change these logos on this brand, put your own logos for these brands, guys. You can do some customizations on these stores, guys. This is how you can do it, guys, And then what you need to do here, you can delete some content here, some text, put your own text, maybe use ChatGPT to write a content for you about the store that you are selling, Now, let's talk about the price, guys. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's going to take you to this page. It says that start for free, then enjoy your first month for $1, guys, using Shopify. Put your email address and get started, I highly recommend that you pay on a yearly basis because you can save up to 25% off. The plan that I recommend for beginners is the basic plan, the most popular one. You can pay $19 per month, guys, if you want to pay on a yearly basis, guys, okay? Click the link down below to get started for free using Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you in your drop shipping business with Shopify. Shop.